Bro, have you ever noticed this? Imagine you're buying a $100 pair of shoes. Your friend says, use this credit card. You'll get $5 cash back. You save $5. But here's the weird part. If the bank just gave you money, how are they making a profit? Sounds like free money, but there's a hidden business trick almost nobody notices. Let's follow the money. You buy shoes for $100. The bank gives you $5 cash back. So you think the bank lost $5, right? Not exactly. The real money isn't coming from your wallet. It's coming from somewhere else.
Every time you swipe your card, the store pays the bank a processing fee. Suppose the bank earns $3 from the store. Now imagine millions of people using that same card every single day. That's millions of dollars flowing to the bank. Cashback isn't a gift, it's marketing. Banks give you a little, so you'll keep using their card instead of someone else's. So the next time you see 5% cashback, remember, the bank isn't being generous. It's investing in keeping you as a customer. Nobody talks about this. Stay curious. See you in the next story.